just pulled in here for this closed down livestock market car park. I didn't get much sleep last night because I was at a truck stop and all the trucks were starting up and running their diesel heaters from the engine all night. I thought I'd catch up on some sleep here, but it's a workshop and they're all cutting steel in that yard there. I might just have to tough this one through till the night time and find somewhere quiet tonight. Have you ever wondered what happens to all of the poo after a livestock market? Well, it's shoveled in here, this giant pit of bovine excrement. And even sadder, my van smells so bad I didn't even know I was parked next to that until I looked. I wonder if that cat needs a cuddle. Let's investigate. You see, no other VanLife channel quite gets into the nitty gritty of whether cats need cuddling. He's playing hard to get this one. Oh, right on the rubble. Oh, it's gone. I'm going to have a shit shower, shave, change of clothes and not even film it. I'm just going to do it magic like that. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. And this episode's top tip from a pro comes from Seamus's missus. In other words, don't put the deodorant down your neck to the underarm because it stretches the neck. You go up under the waist like that and then in. See? Like it. Like it. Thank you, Seamus's wife. Top tip. Look, warning, you're now in the eternal continuous present moment. Seamus Smith was the first comment on the When Midges Attack video, and he said the ultimate first prize present would be a mention on one of his videos. So here you go, Seamus, you're mentioned right now. For everyone else, we are returning back to the timeline. Don't panic. You know, some days I can look really old, ropey and dishevelled, and other days look 10, 15 years younger, just like that. Anyway, let's explore Ryder. Enough about my vanity. Once we've seen Ryder, which means waterfall, and I've caught up on a bit of video publishing, we'll go down the Elan Valley to the lakes in the centre of Wales. That'll be scenic. Good start. Nice phony front room. Another one. It's just a painting of a Welsh dresser. Evan's Place. Yeah, I see what you've done there, Evan. There's quite a density of pubs, hotels, bed and breakfasts, and small businesses and shops that this pandemic was meant to destroy forever. How many people like me have just driven through Rhayader before, just dismissing it as an ordinary mid-Wales town? Far from it. This is an absolute hub of outdoor activities and relaxation. Hello. Picnic tables. Raider, you've come through for me. I mean, look at this. What sort of butt wipe padlocks children's swings together? Here are some more like that. I mean, they could have locked up the two inner ones to the frame and let the two outer ones swing. There's a Jobsworth laminated notice. Let's read it. No COVID-19 play equipment. Closed. COVID-19 panic, but no one's dying. What a bunch of spoil sport bastards. The thing is, you walk around anywhere. The children are out playing anyway. They know this is nonsense. Free car park there, picnic table there, Bogs there. Tomorrow morning sorted out, and I can properly wash up my saucepan. Wonder if the Australian slang dunny comes from the Welsh word for bogs, dunyan. Mercedes Vito long wheelbase. That would be an excellent choice if I could afford it. I think it's called the Traveliner. Didn't intend to show you the graveyard, but there's a cat that I believe needs cuddling. I have yet to find a tap of water in a graveyard in Britain. Well, what do you know? Hallelujah. Well, that was Raider in mid Wales, and I've visited a few other towns in mid Wales too. You've got Llandrindod Wells, Bilth Wells, Brecon, and subscribe there. See you in the next one. Roll the B-roll.